Okay, to get started, I just added a clip to my timeline that I'd like to speed up. Now, let's begin by selecting the Razor tool, and then cut out the part of the video you'd like to speed up. Then, using the Selection tool, make sure the cutout part of the video is selected, and use the Ctrl-R keyboard shortcut to bring up the speed settings. In here, change the speed to your desired percentage amount. I'll set mine to 300% for a 3x speed increase. You'll also want to make sure that Ripple Edit Shifting Trailing Clips is selected so there's no gap between your clips after the speed up. If you have audio, you may want to check Maintain Audio Pitch to avoid getting the squeaky audio effect. We're done in here, so just hit OK. And when I play this back, the speed will increase when it gets to our clip. But yeah, that's it for this short tutorial. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.